Hello everybody. Noise. The noise that is out there is to distract us. It's there to take us away from the silence and take us away from the voice of our Creator. When the noise is circulating all around us, we can't find clarity, we can't find the truth. It was done on purpose in all of its ways. All of its ways was created to keep us away from finding out what was needed to be found out. It's wrong for what was done. It was a terrible, terrible mishap that's been placed upon all of us. And it was done for a reason. It was done to keep us away from knowing that the power that's been taken from us was never truly taken from us. We just allowed for them to take it from us. And this is the noise. This is the noise that's in all things. There is noise everywhere, but there's also silence everywhere. What we have to be able to do is understand the noise, comprehend the noise, but also be able to remove the noise. By doing such things, it allows us to get back into clarity. It allows us to hear the silence. It's within the silence that we will be able to uncover what has been waiting for us, all of us, individually and collectively. But if we do not seek to find the silence, the stillness, the quiet, the noise will overtake us. The noise will destroy us in all of its forms, because it's in the mind, the body, and the soul. And the noise affects each person differently. We've understood how to use these vibrational forms of noise to harm us. All of it is to harm us. But what overcomes and overpowers the noise is understanding. But the only way to understand is to go into the pain. Uncover why this pain is here. What is the reason behind this pain? Because the pain is an origination. It originated from the noise. We have to go into our pains to uncover what's waiting for us. And it's through those understandings that we'll be able to find the peace that we know to be true. That we'll be able to find what we seek. Without doing so, we will constantly be wandering without a direction. And to wander without a direction is not a bad thing, because you're seeking for something. But once you find the direction, you can still wander, because you can drift through this existence. You can float through this existence and allow yourself to move to where you're supposed to go, because you found what you've been looking for, your purpose, your mission. You found it. In order to get there, though, we have to be ready to make decisions that we might not have made before, because we were lost, we were misplaced, we were not in a direction. Once you find your purpose You got to be prepared to take stuff out of your life, remove things from your life. People, things, places, desires. You got to be ready to remove this. And if you're not ready to remove it, that purpose and that mission that you're on will not fruition. It's a balance of give and take. You have to be ready to take away, and you have to be ready to give freely. It's the way out. It's the way in. It's the way to be. The noise is what's preventing us. The static is what's preventing us. The distractions are what's preventing us. It's all there to keep us away from what we truly are desiring and seeking for. Liberation. But you can always say fuck the system, because the system is a part of the construct. The system is a part of the noise. So it's difficult. It's not easy. But you can remove yourself from the system entirely. And be sovereign the way you know you're meant to be. That's the path I'm on. I'm doing without doing any fucking legal bullshit. Just leaving. Saying goodbye to this system that I've been inside of. It's been locking me down. It's never been what it was supposed to be. That's why we have to be able to say goodbye at times. And sometimes those goodbyes are not given in words, because they're not needed. Remove the noise. Take it away from your existence and go find the stillness. You'll know when you get there. You'll understand it when you get there. Go find it.